I got the Nikki. I got a bubble in my noisy potty. Yeah. So I got this noisy potty, and it's really fun to play with. Doesn't. Did you just hear that? That sounded actually like a fart. It sounded like it sounds like a dog's fart. I mean, bark instead of fart. That actually sounded like a fart. Did it just pop? It did actually pop. Does he get out of the hole? Just nasty. It looks like a green booger. Look. Nick. This looks like a green booger. Doesn't this look like a green booger? Hello? Excuse me, doesn't this look like a green booger? Nicholas, look. A green booger came out of my nose.
Right, I see you saying. Well, thank God he is where he is right now. Thank God.
What did I tell you last fall? You will never be pregnant. Didn't I tell you that? Oh, no, Diane is okay.
No.
She's 6 months recall, so you'll have to come back.
No, I'm coming back.
All right, well, just make it from the time of the cleaning. Just put your name and address.
Hey, let's do that first,
Okay. I'm
Next Wednesday, 6.
where I am, and I'm not sure where I am, but I'm leaving now soon, so I'm gonna make the first to show you guys what else you want me, challenges you want me to do, whatever creative stuff you want me to do. I love to do stuff for you guys. Let's see. And here you go.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Doc. We'll see you next week. All right, have a good week. You too.
That's the only coat you wore of freezing.
Yes.
You're gonna go in the car,
I'm
right?
going to go right in the house. So we can have a late night tonight.
Guys, look.
What did you say, Wednesday, Thursday,
Guys, look at my
Thursday,
face.
6?
Oh,
Guys, ready to see my face red?
you look good. You look
Guys, ready to see my face red? Hello?
Are you really? I thought your back was doing good.
No, my back is bad again.
What's he gonna do?
I was supposed
That's
to
my
have
face
an
red.
MRI and go
Yeah.
to the surgeon, but
Yeah.
I was in the hospital for a couple of days, so that was canceled.
Oh, gosh. Well, hope you feel better.
Me too, I will. I have to.
Maybe your son could have been a surgeon.
Doctor, right?
He was a really jerk.
You on the kitchen table, sure.
With the coffee.
That's right, there you go.
All right, feel better.
See ya.
See you next week.
How many girls and boys have cavities? Raise hands. I don't see any hand raising.